Hello friends, it's Mayank here, and in this video we will try to understand how to determine the age of the horse using the teeth. So, the importance of determining the age of the horse. Uses: validate the advertised age when buying. For example, if in a newspaper you have seen that there is an advertisement which say that someone is selling the horse of 11 years. So, if you want to validate whether the horse age is 11 years or not, you can confirm that by just seeing and looking at the teeth. Now, the second use is you can confirm the age when racing or a showing. So, if there is some racing or a show which are related to the horse, then if someone is bidding for a horse of age 15 years, so you can confirm the age by just checking the teeth. Third is feeding for a proper nutrition at the various life stage. As you know that there are different age groups have a different feeding requirement. So according to age, if you give the feeding requirement, then there will be a proper growth. Now we will discuss the very important terminologies which are related to the structure of a horse tooth. The first one is a crown. Crown is the portion which is present above the gum. The second is a root. Root is the portion which is embedded in the gum. Third one is the neck. Neck is a junction of the crown and the root. And the table is the surface which come in contact with the opposite teeth or a dental pit. So this is called as the table, this part is called as the crown, this part is called as the root, and this junction is called as the neck. Now in this picture we are going to understand the very two important terminologies. First one is infundibulum or a cusp. So the infundibulum or a cusp is actually a depression at the table of the tooth which is encircled by the enamel ring. So the green color, with the green color, which the part I have highlighted, that is called as the infundibulum or cusp. It is greenish or a blackish in color. Now the star. Star, it's a light brown mark at the table of the tooth toward the medial side. So if you can see the marking, so it is a star-like appearance which is appear on the table of the tooth. Now in this picture we are also going to understand the two important terminologies which are related to the structure of the tooth. First one is the ganglion groove, which is a groove which is present on upper corner incisor tooth from the gum side. So if you can see that this groove, it is arises from the gum side and go toward the lower side of the tooth. So this is called as the ganglion groove. Now the second thing is the dental hook, and this dental hook is also present on the upper corner incisor, and it appear at the age of around 7 and also at the age of around 13, and after 1 year of its appearance it will disappear. So if you see the dental hook in any horse, it might be of the age 7 or it might be of the age 13. Now let's try to understand the difference between the temporary and the permanent tooth. So the temporary tooth, they are whitish in color, they are smaller and weak, and the neck is very well developed. As you can see that the neck portion is very wide. Okay, it is like a concave surface, and here the neck is very little, dentine is lesser, and they are pale creamy, and they are very large and strong. Now this is the equine tooth structure. As you can see that the incisors, they are present at very front line, very rostrally. Canine, they are just behind the incisors. Now the premolars, and there are molars. So if the wolf teeth is present, then it will be ahead of a premolar tooth in the maxillary bone. So equine tooth color, let's try to understand the equine tooth color. So as you can see here, and the incisors, they are of three types. These are, first one, this is called as the central incisor, the second one is the intermediate incisor, and the third one, these are called as the corner incisors. So the age is determined using the 12 incisor tooth. If you here you can ask how the 12 incisor tooths are there. 6 incisor tooth on the lower jaw and the 6 incisor tooth on the upper jaw. It total sum of a 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. Now the mouthing a horse for a age. So how you are going to open the mouth of the horse? So you just have to hold the tongue out to the side of your hand, and the restraint provide an unobstructed view, and it's not also painful to the horse. So if you are going to move the tongue outside like this, so it is become very easy to just watch the tooth of the horse. Now the tooth emergence, temporary teeth and baby teeth. Okay, so the temporary pincers, so as I also want to say that the central incisor, they are also called as the pincers. Okay, these are appear at the age of a birth to 10 days, they are temporary pincers, and these intermediate incisor, they are appear at the age of a 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, and the temporary corners, they appear with the age of a 6 to 10 months. So as you can see here, the emergence of this temporary tooth can tell you the age till the 1 year of a age. Now the tooth emergence, permanent teeth. Okay, now how the permanent teeth will emerges out? So let's see one by one. So the permanent incisor will first appear. Permanent incisor or permanent central incisor, it's also called as the pincer, will appear at the age of a 2.5 year. Now the permanent intermediate will appear at the age of a 3.5 year, and the permanent corner will appear at the age of a 4.5 year, and the canine tooth will appear at the age of a 4 to 5 years. Okay, so the first permanent tooth appear, that means the horse is above the 2.5 years. If intermediate is also seen, so it's a 3.5 year. Permanent corner is also seen, that is a 4.5 year. Okay, if canine teeth appear, that it means the horse is of a age of a 5 year. Okay, now the tooth wear. What is known as the tooth wear? As horse age, cusp disappear from the incisors. Okay, so there is a cusp, cusp, that is also called as the infundibulum. They will disappear. Here you can see the cusp are very well marketed, and the cusp is disappeared on this side. Okay, and the teeth become more triangular. As you can see, it appears to be more triangular. It appears to be more triangular, and it is very less triangular, but it's looking like a oval, and it is looking like a triangular. So it is a 15-year age, and it is a 6-year age. Okay, so now the Ginglymus groove. So a mark on the upper corner incisor that appear and disappear in a predictable pattern as a horse ages. Usually the Ginglymus groove appear at the age of around 10 years. Okay, now the Ginglymus groove is half down at the age of a 15 years. If we have to confirm whether the horse is of a age of a 15 years, so will be half of the tooth length in the upper corner incisor. Now if the age of a horse is by 20, then it will extend the full length. Okay, now the Ginglymus groove began to recede around the age of a 21. What does it means? Because the Ginglymus groove will be present in this portion, and in the upper side it will disappear. Okay, now the groove is halfway gone by the age of a 25 year. So if this much portion, if the groove disappear, and in this much portion if the groove is present, so the horse is of the age of a 25, and at the age of a 30, whole of the Ginglymus groove will disappear. So after all this, we have to determine the age of the horse. Here is the question for you. Determine the most likely age of the following horse. So in the first picture you can see that the groove, wing limus groove, is halfway down, and the cusps they are wearing, no cusps they are absent here. So there are the four options: 7, 14, 21, 28. So it must be between, if the halfway down it means 15 years, so it is approximately 14 years will be correct answer. Determine the most likely age for the following horse. So all these are the temporary teeth, and as you can see, because the cusp is present or infundibulum is present here, and the shape of the teeth, it is oval in shape, and the central, intermediate and the corner are present. So age will be between 10 months or about 10 months, that will be approximately 10 months to 1 year. So it will be answer will be 1 year. Okay, so which horse is older in this question you have to tell. So in the first image, if you can see that the teeth they are triangular and the infundibulum or the cusp is weird out, but infundibulum of the cusp are present here. So these are younger and these are the older teeth. So that's all for now for this video. So hope you enjoy this video, and if you want a more video like this, then do subscribe to my channel and watch more and more interesting video which are related to the veterinary sciences. And if you find this video interesting, then do subscribe it among your friends. Thanks for watching.